I recently did a video all about air resistance, a quick 20-minute lesson, and some people asked how you would go into greater depth, so you can use paper planes to do that with your class. First things first, you need a good paper plane. Fold it in half, 2 triangular folds at the top, then fold that triangle over again, fold the top over, top corners over, and finally fold the top triangle back over. Now you have the absolute beastin' plane. Now there's loads to talk about here. We can talk about the actual throw that provides thrust to the plane. And then when it's moving through the air, it's encountering drag or air resistance. Now there's 2 opposing forces in the air. There's gravity, which brings it down, or I guess its own mass as well to an extent, but also lift will make it rise into the air. Now what you can do is you can challenge your kids to increase one of these forces, adapting their paper plane. So for example, if I want to give my plane more lift, I'll need to manipulate the air resistance to make the plane rise up into the air. Now a way that actual airplanes do this is by using flaps. So for example, adjusting the flaps like this means that when I throw the plane, it will encounter greater air resistance on its rear and it will cause the plane to dip downwards. Whereas if I tilt the flaps the other way, then the air is going to run along, hit these flaps here and cause the plane to lift. So you should see that this plane has increased lift and will go up the way. Whereas if I now adjust the flaps and push them down the way, the plane should rapidly descend to the ground. You can challenge your class to create a plane that actually rises up when it's thrown downwards. Here probably comes the coolest bit. Using their newly found knowledge about lift and drag and air resistance, can they create a boomerang plane? Or even make it loop the loop.